Every year, at our events, we use thousands of square meters of exhibition carpet, a material made from polypropylene that is essential to our operations. But what happens to all that carpet once the lights go out? Unfortunately, a large portion ends up in landfills, becoming yet another type of waste that's difficult to manage. That's why, at 4foreverything, we've decided to change this reality. In collaboration with HMY Group, we've created Retile Floor, an innovative solution that gives a second life to exhibition carpet by transforming it into recycled and recyclable tiles, ready to be used as modular flooring in events and retail spaces. To achieve this, we convert the carpet into injection-ready polypropylene pellets through the creation of an ecosystem of companies working together under a coordinated and comprehensive management model. Then, through a precise industrial injection process, we transform the material into durable, sustainable tiles designed for repeated use. For every square meter of recycled tile produced, we prevent the emission of 16.4 kilograms of CO2 into the atmosphere, the equivalent of the amount absorbed by a mature tree over nearly 30 years. This represents a significant impact, 83% lower emissions compared to using wood. Retile Floor is innovative in every aspect. Every detail has been designed to maximize both functionality and sustainability. A clear example of how innovation and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. At 4foreverything, we believe every step counts, and we're proud to be a benchmark for a more sustainable, planet-conscious industry.